Bruges. Cobblestones, canals, and a guide reading straight from a script, while the real stories stay hidden. Crowded canal boats, a rushed stop at the markt. A guide who skips the smuggling, the legends, the secrets behind every guild house. Uvamai's Bruges self-guided audio tour hands you the city's medieval soul. The Belfry, the Basilica of the Holy Blood, the Lake of Love, with expert narration revealing the stories behind every stone. For just $6, your access link arrives straight to your phone. No group, no rush, no script read aloud by a stranger. Climb into the legend of the Leaning Belfry. Stand before the Basilica's sacred relic. Drift past Rozenhoutkai, the most photographed corner in Belgium. Wander the peaceful Begichnof, then arrive at Minnewater, the Lake of Love, as the windmills watch from the old city ramparts. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Bruges, not just photograph it. Bruges is waiting. Get your access link at uvamai.com for just $6.